I'm David Beadle. Here's what's happening from RateAlertNow.com. Mortgage rates were uniformly lower across the board on Friday as the stock market's woes sent investor cash into the mortgage-backed securities market to fund more home loans. The national average 30-year fixed-rate mortgage is now at 4 7/8% with 2 points, down 1/4 of a point from Thursday, for a savings of $250 on a $100,000 loan. The 5 1/8% rate is at 5/8 of 1 point, also down 1/4 of a point from a day earlier. Remember, 1 point is worth 1% of the loan amount. This means 1 point is $1,000 on a $100,000 loan and $2,000 on a $200,000 loan. When it comes to a 2-point loan, that represents 2% of the loan amount. This means 2 points is $2,000 on a $100,000 loan and $4,000 on a $200,000 loan. The national average 15-year fixed-rate mortgage saw the 4 1/4% rate at 1 1/2 points, down 1/4 of a point from Thursday. The 4 3/8% rate is at 7/8 of 1 point. In order for you to know when to lock your floating fixed-rate mortgage, you have to have an early warning system with immediate news on changes in current rates and points before they occur throughout each and every business day. That's where my Rate Alert Now service becomes essential to your rate lock strategy. I'll tell you via regular email and/or mobile text messaging when current rates are about to go up, and if you act quickly, you may be able to reach your local mortgage originator by phone to lock your rate before the mortgage company becomes aware of what's going on and changes its rates. The cost of my service is less than $1 a day. First quarter gross domestic product rose 3.2%, close to Wall Street expectations. However, GDP during the first 3 months of this year was down sharply from the level in the fourth quarter of last year. On Monday, we will see a closely followed private survey on April manufacturing. It is expected to show a rise from March. Any reading above 50 indicates expansion in the factory sector. That's what's happening. I'm David Beadle. For full details on my real-time mortgage rate alert service to help you beat the system, visit RateAlertNow.com and check back here on Monday evening for my next free mortgage rate update.